Hello guys, good morning. Dito tayo sa Newcastle, England. So ngayon, mayroong birthday celebration dito na gagawin o kaya i-held dito sa bar na to. So yung birthday celebration parang i-surprise siya na hindi niya alam na mayroon palang birthday celebrate para sa kanya. So mamaya ay pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga kaganapan dito. At saka pagkatapos to mamaya mayroon pang isang events o kaya venue pala na para sa kanya rin doon sa isang hotel, no? Pero magkain lang kami doon siguro, kaya mag-coffee. So yun ang gawin namin. Tapos doon sa ano pala, sa malapit sa airport, parang pangalan ng hotel is DoubleTree, next to the airport mismo. Ngayon, pakita na sa inyo mga tumadaan. Tapos mahagip sila ng camera, no? So ibig sabihin na yung ano pala, no, yung aming friend na mag celebrate ng kanyang birthday, pan pala siya, vlogger din, no? At saka ilagay ko na lang siguro kung matanong ko sa kanya uli yung kanyang YouTube channel, kasi YouTube channel din yan o kaya nagbo-vlog. So mayroon siya sariling YouTube channel sa kanyang mga vlog. So mamaya ilagay ko sa o kaya tanongin ko siya para hindi natin makalimutan kung tapos lagay ko sa baba kung pwede lang, no? So ito na lang gawin natin guys. So ngayon quick video para at least kahit paano makakuha tayo ng ano dito, ng souvenir o kaya remembrance dito sa lugar na to. So dito pala tayo sa isang pub. Ang pangalan ng pub is City Tavern. So ito yung in-offer nila. Ayan. At saka dito lang yan sa ano, sa gilid ng Primark, kasi yung main ng Primark doon, yung street na yan. At saka maganda kasi dito guys, kasi yung Jollibee nandyan, no? Yun yung ating Tatak Pinoy, no, sa Newcastle dito sa England. At saka nagkaroon kami ng Jollibee, that was I think 3 years ago, nung nagkaroon kami ng Jollibee. Daming Pinoy talaga na nakapila dyan nung time na yon. Saka nag-vlog ako dyan, kaso lang nagka-problema yung vlog ko dahil nasira yung aking SD card o kaya nagka-error, kaya hindi ko na kunan yung opening. Tsaka sayang talaga yung pagkataon na yun. Pero may mga vlog rin ako ng mga iba na siguro mga 2 beses o 3 beses na kumain ako dyan. Tingnan nyo lang sa mga vlog ko na Ranger of Rangers Vlogger, Jollibee in Newcastle. Okay, so ganyan guys. At saka dito tayo sa loob, papasok na ako. Ang ganda ng hotel, ano to, yung pub. Kasi guys, pakita ko sa inyo sa loob. So yan, ganda ng pub na to. Ayan, so dito na tayo. So ayan yung yung kaibigan natin na si Engineer Rado Hada. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Sandra Cole. Happy 60th birthday after 6 decades of life on Earth. You have been a great woman, and it's a great pleasure seeing you, hanging out with you after 6 decades of life on Earth. I wasn't born at that time, but I think I first met you during the 2010s, but it's a great pleasure seeing you. Happy birthday and have a good day. Peace.
Happy birthday, Tita Sandra. Hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, madam.
Hi, son. Happy birthday. I hope you have a nice day. Enjoy your day today, and quite glad that knowing you. So, yeah, enjoy. Bye.
Tita San, happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day today, and may God bless you always and with good health. Happy birthday again. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Hello, Tita Sandra. Happy 60th birthday. Hope you're gonna enjoy for today's surprise celebration. I'm hoping for and wish you good health, happiness, and all the best of everything. Thank you for the friendship. See ya.
Hi Sandra, happy 60th birthday. Hope you'll have a lovely day and enjoy the surprise. Love you. Happy birthday. Have fun.
Happy 60th birthday. Wait, it's not.
Just welcome. Just stay like that, and then we'll just wait. So she still have a reaction. So you just pause when she has reaction. How loud is this? You haven't tried first?
Check. It's not very loud.
Try one.
Check.
That's off.
Is it off? I was gonna say.
Check.
Ang mga initan, ako din.
Check. Is that alright?
Yeah.
I think that's alright. Hello.
Maybe a little.
Hello.
Is that too loud?
I don't know.
Do you want? Remix siya sa YouTube. Ano mo? Remix niya. Up. Ano yan? Ano yan nag-send? Nailang-lain ang pangka.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Sorry.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Bukan tak asli momen.
Mga delikado, yung mga touchstick lang. Game ka na ba?
Oh my God!
You are cheeky, all of you, mine. Thank you very much. I got right. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry now. Oh my God.
Na-surpresa siya talaga. She was surprised.
Happy birthday! Grabe, kayo dyan. Happy birthday!
That you weren't expecting that, eh?
No, Sandra will sit here so we can see the...
Okay.
Wait, let that sit down first.
Oh my God.
Okay. Ready?
What is?
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Oops.
Oh!
Wow! Pristine talaga.
Ta-da!
Oops. 1. Okay. Oh, waki. Okay.
21.
Nasurprise na to.
Ano ni Jima, na may nag-book daw dito na ano party
I said it was my friend that won a raffle. And she doesn't like 80s music, so she passed on to me. I went, she's only got 2 tickets on the book.
So, pagpasok ko din, sabi ko, oh, I feel like dancing now. I hear the 80s.
Very good.
Asabi ko.
Na-surpresa talaga si Sandra. Kaya nakita mo talaga yung reaksyon niya, no? Iba talaga yung parang hindi siya naka-prepare. Parang hindi akalain na magkaroon siya ng birthday sa ngayon. Sa 60th birthday niya. kahit ako siguro, no, yung hindi mo akalain na mayroon kang o kaya naghintay siya na party o kaya isang sorpresa na mga kaibigan mo nandoon. Siguro napakakwa talaga, nakakagulat talaga, no, na magkaroon ng isang birthday na hindi mo na in-expect, na akala mo wala talaga.
Nag-entrance ng madam.
Bilis na to kasi si Sandra, nag-ibis. Nag-ibis si Sandra kayo tapos na.
Oh.
Tapos na.
Hello! Look, Lexi's there.
Oh, Andy.
Let's say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Nice to see you again.